You just crushed a personal best in the gym now. Can you celebrate with a drink without undoing your progress? This is a common dilemma for anyone balancing fitness and a social life. The truth is, alcohol triggers a cascade of effects that can interfere with muscle building and fat loss. Your body treats alcohol as a toxin, prioritizing its removal over everything else, including muscle repair and fat burning. When you drink, your body shifts focus from recovery to detoxification, which can stall your gains. This isn't about demonizing alcohol, but about understanding its real impact. With the right knowledge, you can make smarter choices and find a balance that fits your goals. So what really happens when you mix fitness with alcohol? Let's dive into the science and separate myth from fact. Here's what you need to know before you raise that glass. When you drink, your body's top priority is to eliminate alcohol, fast. Unlike carbs, protein, or fat, alcohol can't be stored, so your liver drops everything to break it down. This means other nutrients and calories take a back seat, often leading to fat storage. The process starts with alcohol dehydrogenase, turning ethanol into toxic acetaldehyde, then into acetate, and finally into water and CO2. While your liver is busy, blood sugar drops, leaving you tired and weak. Calories from food eaten with alcohol are more likely to be stored as fat. The rate you metabolize alcohol depends on genetics, size, sex, and food intake, but the principle is the same. Alcohol comes first. During this detox phase, your body isn't building muscle or burning fat. Instead, it's just trying to get back to baseline. That's the metabolic cost of drinking. Building muscle depends on muscle protein synthesis, but alcohol slams the brakes on this process. Studies show post-workout drinking can reduce muscle protein synthesis by up to 37%, even if you eat enough protein. Alcohol also lowers testosterone and raises cortisol, creating a muscle-breaking, fat-storing environment. This is especially damaging after a workout, when your body should be repairing and growing. The more you drink, the worse the effects. Binge drinking is especially harmful. Even moderate drinking can blunt your progress if it's frequent. Over time, this leads to stalled gains and slower recovery. If you're serious about results, understanding this is crucial. Alcohol doesn't just slow your progress, it can reverse it. Choose wisely if muscle growth is your goal. Think alcohol helps you sleep? Think again. While it may knock you out faster, it disrupts deep, restorative sleep, especially REM. As alcohol wears off, you wake up more often, leaving you groggy and unrefreshed. Poor sleep means higher cortisol, less growth hormone, and worse recovery. You'll feel tired, less motivated, and your workouts will suffer. True recovery happens in deep sleep, not after a night of drinking. Alcohol sabotages this critical process. For real progress, prioritize quality sleep over a nightcap. Don't let passing out fool you, your body knows the difference. Alcohol is packed with empty calories 7 per gram, almost as much as fat. A few drinks can wipe out your calorie deficit in one night. Alcohol also ramps up your appetite and lowers your willpower, making junk food irresistible. It tricks your brain into feeling hungrier even when you don't need more food. Meanwhile, your body is too busy processing alcohol to burn fat, so extra calories get stored. Drinking is like hitting pause on fat loss. Your body's fat-burning machinery shuts down. Even moderate, regular drinking can stall your progress. The combination of extra calories cravings and a sluggish metabolism is a recipe for fat gain. If fat loss is your goal, alcohol is a major obstacle. Alcohol doesn't just affect your body, it messes with your motivation and routine. Hangovers make it easy to skip workouts and reach for unhealthy foods. One missed session can break your momentum and lead to more skipped days. Regular drinking can shift your priorities, making social events more important than your fitness goals. Over time, this erodes your consistency, the key to real results. Alcohol also weakens your mental resilience, making it harder to bounce back from setbacks. The cycle of regret and poor choices can stall your progress for weeks. Staying dedicated requires a clear mind and steady habits. Don't let alcohol undermine the consistency you've worked so hard to build. Is it okay to work out and drink on the same day? Drinking right after training is a bad idea. It disrupts recovery, hydration, and muscle repair. Alcohol is a diuretic, making post-workout dehydration worse and slowing nutrient delivery to muscles. It also blunts the muscle-building response when your body needs it most. The result? More soreness, slower recovery, and less progress. If you must drink, separate it from your workout by several hours and eat a protein-rich meal first. Hydrate well before and after. Don't let a drink cancel out your hard work in the gym. Timing matters. Plan wisely. If you choose to drink, strategy is key. Moderation matters. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 drinks and avoid binging. Choose lower-calorie options like light beer, dry wine, or spirits with zero-calorie mixers. Skip sugary cocktails and heavy beers that add hundreds of empty calories. Eat a protein-rich meal before drinking to slow alcohol absorption and curb hunger. Alternate each alcoholic drink with a glass of water to stay hydrated and reduce hangover risk. Avoid drinking right after workouts or before bed. These are critical times for recovery and sleep. If you have a social event, train earlier in the day and refuel before drinking. Smart choices and timing can help you enjoy a drink without derailing your progress. Balance is possible with the right habits. Alcohol and fitness don't mix well, but you don't have to choose one or the other. Alcohol suppresses muscle growth, disrupts hormones, ruins sleep, and halts fat loss. It also drains motivation and consistency, the backbone of progress. But knowledge is power. You can make informed choices that fit your goals. For some, abstaining is best. For others, moderation and smart timing work. Prioritize hydration, avoid empty calories, and never sacrifice sleep for a night out. Your results are built on daily choices. One drink won't ruin you, but habits matter. Stay honest about your goals and what you're willing to trade for them. With discipline and strategy, you can enjoy life and still make gains. Balance takes effort, but it's worth it for a lifestyle you can sustain. The choice is yours. Make it count. You've worked hard to build your body. Don't let a few drinks wreck your results. Choose wisely. Stay consistent. And if you do have that drink, own it, plan around it, and keep pushing forward. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your go-to drink, and how do you balance it with your fitness goals. Catch you in the next one.